Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Polymarket in the UK. First, open Google Chrome and go to the Polymarket website. Next, log into your account. Once you're inside, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Here, you can see active markets, your portfolio and account balance. Polymarket is a prediction market, so you will be betting on outcomes of real-world events. Then, browse the available markets. Each market shows different outcomes, current prices, and the liquidity available. Take time to read the market description, rules, and expiration date to make informed decisions. After that, select a market you want to participate in. Check the possible outcomes, current share price, and how much volume has been traded. This gives you an idea of how the market is learning and helps you decide whether to buy or sell shares. Now, fund your account. Polymarket requires USDC, a stable coin for trading. You can deposit USDC from your external wallet or from an exchange that supports crypto transfers in the UK. Make sure to double-check your wallet address before sending. Once your wallet is funded, choose the amount you want to invest in specific outcome. Then confirm your trade. Your purchased shares will now appear in your portfolio and you can monitor them in real time. Next, you can adjust your position anytime before the market resolves. If the market moves in your favor, you can sell some or all of your shares for a profit, or buy more if you believe your outcome is likely to win. After the event resolves, Polymarket automatically calculates payouts. If your prediction is correct, your winning will be added to your USDC balance in your account. You can then withdraw for the funds to a UK-supported crypto wallet or exchange to convert them into GBP if you want. Finally, always keep your account securely by enabling 2FA and using a strong password. Also, only invest what you are comfortable risking, as prediction markets carry financial risk. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.